Yeah. That was easier than I thought.
I want to reach out and smack you.
I don't want to do too much because I want to try to stay organized. We have the board because I'm about 80% sure we're gonna take off this motor mount.
Yeah.
So they said take a board and put it under and put a jack under the motor, under the oil pan, and then take it off and then jack it up.
Okay.
Yeah. Kind of hopeful.
Wow.
And we could get a new lens.
Yes. This video wasn't planned at all, so we, on the spur of the moment, just decided to work on the car because we have decided we are going to fix it instead of buying another car. Cars now are insanely stupid expensive. So it would be cheaper to fix this car rather than buy a new one. Most of the cars are for sale for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 with already blown up engines. So it makes more sense to fix up our car that potentially has a blown up engine. So we're fixing an engine versus buying a new car for way too much money and fixing the engine in that. During the beginning, we were just trying to figure out the wiring harness clips and just figuring everything out, and then we start to kind of get in a groove and start taking all the harnesses off and the coils, and just getting ready to get to the timing chain.
Why is it not?
Like he
did.
There you go.
So it's catching on that thing.
Okay.
It's slinging oil up. Crazy.
Maybe. You probably just get used to it
Maybe set this over there.
more than anything.
So I guess these and these two for the motor mount. But before we do anything like that,
You need to take the valve cover off.
yeah.
So these are all the same.
Right.
Yeah.
Actually,
I see how they go off.
and I guess there's no way of screwing those up, putting them back, is there?
No, you should just pop on. Okay. Careful.
And then,
Oop.
so basically, don't do that.
Don't, yeah. How'd you get it? You just pulled it? Oh, it pinches down?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, some of those clips, I hate how violent, you have to be like legit violent with them. clue. I just pulled it right out and it was like, be careful, it's starting to rip. Try to grab both ends if you can. There we go. Yeah, that's crazy that there's oil there.
Where? Oh, it's here. Want to get that last one out?
Yeah.
Carefully.
Yeah.
I don't understand
How that happened. Maybe I twisted it too much, maybe. Straight up. Okay.
Man, how in the world
How in the world what?
is that sparking on that cylinder?
Well, oh, you know what? Now that I think about it. So that's the spark plug. I'm not sure how oil's getting in there because that's not even in like the combustion chamber or anything. That basically just goes down to the spark plug and then maybe, you know what I bet happened? We probably spilled oil because we're always adding oil and we spill it often. So it probably just spills down into there. Because it doesn't make any sense for oil to come up through the spark plug.
I don't know.
You know what I mean? That doesn't make any sense. It has to be us just spilling oil in there.
I guess we'll know better when we pull this off.
So I have to work tomorrow and Dad is going to be working on the car, who knows, all day maybe. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give him my other camera and hopefully he'll record, you know. I'm sure he said he would turn the camera on. He says he doesn't want to mess with it. He doesn't like the YouTube stuff, but I don't know, it's up to him. I'll just see what he does and I'll make a video out of it. You know, even if he just turns the camera on, puts it on a tripod and just turns it on like he said he would do, that's cool. I'll just leave the camera on and I'll just make, you know, sections where he's talking or trying to figure something out, have that play normal speed, and then the boring stuff I'll just turn into a time lapse so you can see what's happening. You know, we'll just have to see what happens because I don't know what his plans are. It's too bad I have to be at work. But, oh well, I need money. I'll see you in the next video.